Welcome to our channel. Today we embark on an extraordinary journey to a continent teeming with life, bursting with color and sculpted on a scale that beggars belief. South America, a land of snow-capped peaks that pierce the heavens, rainforests teeming with creatures found nowhere else, and deserts that stretch further than the eye can see. Get ready to explore the top 15 must-visit places that this incredible continent has to offer. Locations so remarkable they will stay with you long after the journey is over. High in the Andes Mountains of Peru, shrouded in mist and mystery, lies the ancient Inca city of Machu Picchu. Built in the 15th century and later abandoned, the first rays of dawn illuminate the majestic ruins. The terraced fields clinging to the mountainside and the panoramic views evoke a sense of wonder. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a pilgrimage for those seeking to connect with the past. Rio de Janeiro, a city where the mountains meet the sea, is a vibrant tapestry of culture, music, and natural beauty. Dominating the skyline, arms outstretched as if to embrace the entire city, stands the iconic Christ the Redeemer statue atop Corcovado Mountain. Feel the pulse of the city on Copacabana Beach, a samba-infused stretch of golden sand where the rhythm of life is as infectious as the music itself. From Sugarloaf Mountain, take in the panoramic vista of Guanabara Bay, dotted with islands and framed by verdant peaks. Rio's infectious energy, breathtaking landscapes, and vibrant carnival celebrations will captivate your senses and leave you longing to return. Prepare to be humbled by the raw power and majesty of Iguazu Falls, a complex of 275 cascading waterfalls. The Iguazu River thunders over the edge of the Parana Plateau, creating a spectacle so awe-inspiring it leaves visitors speechless. Feel the spray on your face as you approach the Devil's Throat, where the water plunges 82 meters with a deafening roar. Iguazu Falls is a testament to the untamed power of nature. Galapagos Islands, where evolution unfolds. Isolated for millennia, the Galapagos Islands are a living laboratory of evolution. Walk among giant tortoises lumbering across the volcanic landscape. Snorkel alongside playful sea lions, marvel at blue-footed boobies' comical mating dances, and encounter marine iguanas foraging in the ocean. Here, Darwin formulated his groundbreaking theory of evolution. A journey to the Galapagos is a journey to a world untouched by time. Patagonia, land of giants. Patagonia, a region shared by Argentina and Chile, is a land of superlatives where glaciers carve through mountains, turquoise lakes reflect the sky, and windswept plains stretch as far as the eye can see. Trek through the iconic granite towers of Torres del Paine National Park, witness the breathtaking spectacle of Perito Moreno Glacier carving into Lago Argentino, or hike through forests where ancient trees seem to touch the sky. Patagonia is a paradise for adventurers, photographers, and nature lovers, a place where you can feel the pulse of the earth and the raw power of the elements. Buenos Aires, the Paris of South America. Buenos Aires, the vibrant capital of Argentina, entices visitors with its European charm, passionate tango rhythms, and cultural richness. Stroll down Palermo's wide avenues, lined with elegant boutiques and cafes, or explore San Telmo's cobbled streets, filled with antique shops and street performers. Experience the tango in a traditional milonga, or catch a thrilling soccer match at La Bombonera. Imagine a landscape so vast and surreal it seems to belong to another planet. Welcome to Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat, located in Bolivia. A blindingly white expanse stretches to the horizon, a sea of hexagonal salt tiles. During the rainy season, a thin layer of water transforms the salt flat into a giant mirror. Salar de Uyuni is a place to lose yourself in the immensity of nature. Step back in time in Cartagena, a UNESCO World Heritage City on Colombia's Caribbean coast. This enchanting city, once a strategic Spanish colonial port, captivates with its colorful colonial architecture, imposing ramparts and romantic horse-drawn carriages. Wander through the narrow streets of the walled city, where bougainvillea spills over balconies and the air is thick with the scent of tropical flowers. Explore the Castillo San Felipe de Barajas, a formidable fortress that once guarded the city from pirates, or relax on the pristine beaches of the Rosario Islands, a short boat ride away. Cartagena is a city that seduces with its charm, beauty, and a vibrant culture born from a rich history. Journey to the driest place on Earth, the Atacama Desert in northern Chile, a surreal landscape of otherworldly beauty. Here, towering volcanoes, shimmering salt flats, and desolate valleys painted in hues of ochre, crimson, and gold create a canvas of breathtaking abstraction. Explore the El Tatio geysers, where plumes of steam erupt from the earth at dawn, or witness the surreal beauty of the Valle de la Luna, a valley sculpted by wind and water into a lunar landscape. As darkness falls, the Atacama reveals its most spectacular secret, a sky ablaze with stars, unimpeded by light pollution, offering an unparalleled glimpse into the vastness of the cosmos. Amazon rainforest, the heart of biodiversity. Embark on an unforgettable adventure into the heart of the Amazon rainforest, a vast emerald tapestry that spans 9 countries and teems with an astonishing diversity of life. Cruise along the mighty Amazon River, the lifeblood of the rainforest, and witness firsthand the incredible array of creatures that call this ecosystem home. Spot brightly colored macaws soaring overhead, listen to the chatter of monkeys swinging through the canopy, and perhaps catch a glimpse of a jaguar slinking through the undergrowth. The Amazon is a vital organ of our planet, a reminder of the importance of preserving Earth's natural wonders for generations to come. Easter Island, guardians of the Pacific. Shrouded in mystery and steeped in ancient Polynesian culture, Easter Island beckons with its iconic moai statues, enigmatic figures that stand sentinel over the Pacific Ocean. Explore the moai platforms, where these colossal stone figures carved centuries ago stand as silent witnesses to a vanished civilization. Unravel the mysteries behind their creation and transportation, and learn about the fascinating culture of the Rapa Nui people, descendants of the island's original inhabitants. Easter Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a testament to human ingenuity and a reminder of the enduring power of ancient traditions. Lima, where history meets gastronomy. Lima, the vibrant capital of Peru, blends ancient history, colonial grandeur, and a tantalizing culinary scene. Explore the historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with grand colonial architecture. Indulge in Lima's world-renowned cuisine, from fresh ceviche to causa limina. Medellin, once notorious for its past, has undergone a remarkable transformation to become a vibrant and innovative metropolis, often referred to as the City of Eternal Spring. Ride the Metro Cable, a system of gondolas that connects the hillside communities to the city center, offering breathtaking views along the way. Explore Comuna 13, a neighborhood once plagued by violence, now transformed into a vibrant hub of street art, community projects, and social change. Medellin is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, a city that has embraced its past and emerged as a beacon of hope and inspiration. Lace up your hiking boots and prepare to be captivated by the rugged beauty of Torres del Paine National Park in Chilean Patagonia. This iconic park is a hiker's paradise, offering trails for all levels, from leisurely walks to challenging multi-day treks. Marvel at the towering granite peaks of the Torres del Paine Massif, hike through emerald forests reflected in glacial lakes, and encounter diverse wildlife, from guanacos to Andean condors soaring overhead. Whether you choose to camp under the stars or indulge in a cozy lodge, Torres del Paine offers an unforgettable experience in the heart of Patagonia's wilderness. Perched high in the Andes Mountains, Quito, the capital of Ecuador, enchants visitors with its well-preserved colonial center, vibrant indigenous culture, and breathtaking views. Explore the Plaza Grande, the heart of the city, where colonial buildings, churches, and the presidential palace stand as testaments to Quito's rich history. Ride the Teleférico, a gondola that whisks you up the slopes of Pichincha volcano for panoramic vistas of the city and the surrounding volcanoes. Quito is a city that bridges the past and presents a place where you can wander through cobbled streets, browse for handicrafts in indigenous markets, and feel the pulse of life in the shadow of towering peaks. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the diverse landscapes and vibrant cultures of South America. From the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu to the surreal beauty of the Salar de Uyuni, This continent has left an indelible mark on our souls. We hope these 15 destinations have inspired you to experience the magic of South America for yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.